Hello and welcome to Zoho SalesIQ. This video is just going to summarize how to integrate Dialogflow with SalesIQ. Well, by now guess you all know how to set up basic Zobot configurations. All that you have to do is navigate to Settings, Zobot and click Add a Bot. Then specify a name and a brief description for your bot. Choose the website and departments on behalf of which the Zobot is to serve. Set criterions based on which Zobot is to filter visitors and initiate a chat proactively. Choose at what instant should the Zobot interact with the filtered visitors. Set how long the bot typing status is to be shown. And then choose if you would like to let your visitors converse with a human operator of your firm at any point in time during an ongoing conversation. Finally, choose Dialogflow as the platform on which you would like to develop the Zobot. Then click Connect with Dialogflow. Choose a Google account which is either already associated with the Dialogflow account or to create a new one. Grant SalesIQ with the permissions to view and manage your data across Google Cloud Platform services by clicking on Allow. This screen indicates a successful integration of Dialogflow account with your SalesIQ. If you've already created Dialogflow agents, they'll be listed down in this page, from which you can choose one to map it with the Zobot that you've created. Else, you can navigate to your Dialogflow console to create a new agent. Once you're done choosing an agent, enter a trigger response in the JSON format. A cool factor that we have to notice here is that with Dialogflow agents, you can send out trigger responses in multiple languages. Now, click Create to complete the mapping. Now, you can navigate to the Dialogflow console to modify the functionalities of the mapped agent. You can choose an agent whose functionalities that you want to modify from this drop box. And all the intents that you've added to the agent will be listed out onto your right. To create a new bot agent, you'll have to choose Create New Agent. Then specify a name, choose the language in which you want the agent to converse in, and then choose a default time zone. Then either choose to import an existing Google project or create a new one. Then click Create. You'll automatically be redirected to the Intents section. This is where you will get to define the functionality of your agents. Click Create Intent, specify a name, and then click on Add Training Phrases. Here you can specify the possible ways in which a visitor might frame a question. Dialogflow suggests that 20 training phrases will be optimal enough to train your agent. Once done, you can highlight on the entities in your phrases if there exists one. Entities are nothing but a group of objects that will come under a same category. For instance, blue, green, red will come under the category colors. Similarly, Canada, India, France, New Zealand, etc. will come under the entity countries. Intents allow your agents to understand the motive of your visitor's input, while entities help the agents to pick out specific pieces of information that a visitor might mention. Moving on, click Add Response to define responses that you want your agent to give away when visitors pose a question with the intention that you've defined above. You can either define a plain text response or use stylized SalesIQ widgets, for which you'll have to click on Add Responses and choose Custom Payload, and then paste your code there. Once done, click Save. If you want to generate dynamic responses by fetching data from a third-party application, or if you would like to trigger actions in a third-party application, you can make use of the Dialogflow fulfillment. To deploy the fulfillment code, navigate to the fulfillment section, paste the scripts that are designed based on your requirements under index.js and package.json. And finally, click Deploy to activate the script. Now, scoot back to your Zoho Sales IQ for a quick trial run. I've posed my question and the agent's response is, here you go. Great, isn't it? So hurry and deploy your powerful Dialogflow agents in your website via Zobot today. Thank you and stay tuned for more.